Stay with us then, Dr. Narayan. Yes, indeed, this morning we're bracing ourselves for quite a healthy start owing to the kind of levels that we're seeing across the globe as well as on the SGX Nifty. But moving on then to earnings, and Bharti Airtel last evening put out a surprise loss due to an exceptional item, but otherwise it was an operationally healthy quarter. Let's find out what have been their ARPUs as well as other details on the financials. Sunita joining in to give us a breakdown. Sunita.
Q4 performance has been better than expected. If you look at the top line has grown at 8.5% in this quarter, largely led by increased number of 4G customers. They've added really 12.5 million 4G customers in Q4. That's helped. Also, the increased price that they have been charging after December, they announced a price hike in December. So as a result, their ARPUs have improved, which is average revenue per user has improved to 154 rupees versus 135 in the previous quarter. We were expecting this number at 147, but they've actually posted 154, which is highest ever ARPU that the company has ever seen. This has helped them in top line, and also the EBITDA margin. If you look at, we were expecting a 70 basis point improvement. They've actually done 90 basis point improvement, so that's much better than expected. But as far as bottom line is concerned, we were expecting a loss of 440 crores, but the company has posted a loss of over 5,000 crore. But this is largely because of an exceptional item, actually many exceptional item, and the net impact of exceptional item is over 5,000 crores. So as a result, the company has posted a net loss. Going forward, we will be watching out for the management commentary as to how they are expecting the prices to move from here on. Earlier expectation was that there will be a price hike in first quarter of 2021, but that looks unlikely with COVID situation. We'll have to watch and wait what the management has to say on that front.
Right. Thanks for that, Sunita. Rajiv Sharma also joining us on this. Rajiv, good morning. What are your key takeaways from the Airtel numbers this time?
Yeah, hi, Abha. Good morning. So if you look at the Airtel numbers, one thing is very clear here, that the tariff hike has really played out well. And we've seen a sharp jump in the ARPU numbers for the India mobile business. That's come at 14% QOQ, and it's the highest in possibly 30 quarters, and that's led to a 16% increase in the revenues, and it's driving that consolidated EBITDA up 10% as well. So tariff hike, that's played out well. We were expecting 147 to be precise this quarter. But the surprise is quite meaningful. They've come at 154. The other positive we do see is the strong additions on the 4G side. So there's a sharp increase QOQ on the 4G subscribers. That's encouraging. And the capex investments has continued this quarter. And if you look at YOY, the total capex is down only 12%. So this was the first year where Bharti was not giving any guidance on their capex, and there were expectations that it may sharp significantly, but the decline is marginal, which tells you that the company has been investing in its 4G capabilities, and the sharp increase in data which we are seeing because of work from home. Tells you that company should be able to do well when the surge is happening, because they've invested in this last quarter and the overall year as well.
Right. And you have seen the mobile data traffic as well grow quite substantially by about 74%. What's the view then on the stock right now, given the kind of run-up that it's seen already? Is it a resounding buy or an overweight rating on Bharti Airtel?
Yes, Abhi, we are positive on this name. We believe that, this is a structural story, and telecoms overall is a structural story globally. Pre-COVID, the online adoption was a gradual adoption across sectors. But post-COVID, this is changing dramatically, and data adoption will only increase. And my guess is this whole 4G shift will accelerate now, and as such, we continue to remain positive on Bharti.
Thank you for joining in and sharing with us your outlook. So continues to remain a positive stance on Bharti Airtel. Let's slip into a quick break right here on the show. Back with more when we return.